Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So I normally don't do this as do an intro, but I just want to let you guys know the details behind what you're about to see. So my car ran into some major knock driving on the highway. Thanks to Eugene and his tuning and our cautious way of doing things, I'm not eager to just all of a sudden throw all the boost at the car, try to get these huge dyno numbers and blow my motor up like some other people have. Any boosted application, you're taking risks. So anyways, that said, it's not the Whipple. There's nothing wrong with the Whipple. It's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with my tune. It's perfectly fine. But the issue is my car previously had up rev on it with full bolt-ons for probably 3 to 4 years now. I'd have to look back at my build on my Facebook page to tell you exact dates. But anyways, that said, my AFR has been off slightly for the start of the Whipple being installed. I suggest if you ever go boosted, install your whatever tuning software you're going to use. I prefer ECUTEK for obvious reasons, because that's what I went with. But install it before you install your boosted application, whatever it may be. Do it beforehand and log the crap out of your car. Make sure that there's no underlying issues with your car whatsoever and it's running perfectly fine before boosting it. I didn't do that for many different reasons. I've learned a lot over this process. I mean a lot. So I apologize if I'm still learning terminology. I am a huge car guy, but I do have a lot of other stuff in my life. I'm a big computer geek, working on my master's degree in business administration and that. So that said, my car apparently has been running, the AFR was off, which I pointed out in a previous video. The reason behind it is most likely an exhaust leak. Well, turns out I have an exhaust leak. The bolt was missing from my high flow cat, from my header to my high flow cat on the passenger side. That leak over probably 2-3 years, don't know how long, has caused issues with my high flow cats. High flow cats aren't designed to handle a lot of like just unburnt fuel. So if your car runs too rich, which can happen if your AFR is off, it can cause your car to run rich. If it runs rich with an air leak through the high flow cats aren't designed to handle all of that. And over time, many years, it screwed up my high flow cats. So I'm working in the process. My funds are kind of like not really there right now with all the holidays and everything, end of year funds. So I'm working that out. Soon, in another week or two, I'll be getting new arc test pipes. I'm ordering them from Z1 in a week and a half, actually about a week from now. So that's where I stand right now. It's not tune related, it's not Whipple related, it's just something that happened. This is why you take a cautious approach to tuning. Yeah, you can make big numbers on a dyno sheet. Yeah, you can make your car shoot flames, but it's not good on your motor. It's not good for the length of the car. This car I want to last forever. Like, I want to keep it for my life. Like, I want to die having this car still in my life to pass on to my daughter or my brother or whoever in the future. So that said, thank you for watching. Please watch the rest of this. Please comment below what you think. Like I said, this is not a problem with the tune. It is not something with the Whipple. This is something that was probably there previous to all of that didn't cause it. But it happened, we found it out, and now we're working on fixing it. So hopefully in another 2 weeks, I'll be on the road, tuning, driving, everything else. So that said, watch the video.
Alright, well, I'm in 4th. I'm going to go all the way to the, what, 7,000-ish? Yeah. Alright. Oh, there it is. So at 5,000 RPMs in 4th gear, it does not like that.
So I have been a couple days I haven't been driving it. A few days ago I did drive it, tuning it, and ran into a problem where I hit pretty bad knock at about 5,000 RPM in 4th gear at about 80 miles an hour. And I'm gonna see if I can post the video right after this and cut to it in a minute just to show you what knock sounds like. it was pretty loud. I'm assuming it's knock. It could have been something else, but most likely it was knock. The guess right now is that my high flow cats, we noticed that from day one, after installing and started tuning, that my air fuel ratio on one of the banks is wavy as opposed to nice and smooth, as the other bank is nice and smooth. They're both slightly off, which means I might be running rich on one side because of the difference, and it could be causing some of the problem, but not enough to throw any codes. My high flow cats could be off and damaged or blocking and causing back pressure that's not good at all. So here in a minute, I'm going to be checking my high flow cats to see if they're damaged. If they are, I have a friend of mine that's hopefully hooking me up with some replacement arc pipes instead, straight pipes, so that way I don't have to worry about this and I won't be paying full price for brand new ones. But for now, I just want to show you what I'm going to be working on. I also opened my trunk because, well, just because I have to get in, I want to remove my rear wheel because right here I want to put the other LED lights that I have. I just haven't done it. In order to get to where I want to access them is this plastic piece that's blocking the fender guard, or whatever you want to call it, is blocking to get to it. So, and there's no way to get underneath because it's like a straight flat bumper. So I have to get inside, and the only way is to pull that off or pull the whole bumper off. So just want to show you, in order to jack this up, it's kind of a challenge because if you look, my car is extremely low. From the side, it only sits off the ground. It only sits 2 3/4 inches off the ground. So I have to drive it up on racing ramps, and then I have to, once I have it straight forward, I put the rear racing ramp next to where the wheel is, and then I back the car back out just past the drive up lip, slide the ramps in, and then drive it back up, so that way my whole car is lifted. Because if I don't do this on the rear, I don't have enough space to get even a low profile floor jack underneath deep enough to the rear differential to jack the car up to get the jack stance on it. So I just want to show you what I'm working on and go from there. Alright guys, so my high flow cats, this is the 2 bolts for the passenger side and then bolts on the driver's side. Then there's supposed to be 3 bolts, which it's going to be difficult to see. See if I can try to show you. But if you look really closely, look at that. That's one that's not there. Then 2, 3. So as you can see, I'm missing a bolt on my high flow cat. That's probably been missing since maybe the install. I had a shop locally to me do the install, and I had found out that they didn't tighten the bolts all the way down on the headers before, right before tuning the car, so it was only like a few days that was missing. But this has been probably missing for the last, like, what, maybe 3 years? Right there. So I sprayed some PB spray, that penetration spray, to loosen these. That's why you see all this like oil looking stuff. I could not get them off. I might have to use my impact gun to get these off. But yeah, that's probably why my high flow cats might be bad. That is most likely definitely why my air fuel ratio on this side of the car has been off. There's most likely a gap in the high flow cat right before the cat from the header. So yeah, fun times. This is the stuff why I prefer to work on my car now as opposed to taking it to shops. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's the inside of the high flow cat, and it's damaged. So I don't know if it's enough to cause the issue that I'm having, but played on the safe side. Sorry, you know, messing, working underneath the car. But played on the safe side. Hopefully my friend can come through. If not, I have to wait until I have the funds to buy different high flow cats. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. What a pain. Still also need to get this bolt, I mean not bolt, but sensor off and get that disconnected. It's frustrating. So I got it off, but I don't know what to do next because it's kind of stopping point. I don't have, I'm gonna have to see if I can find some test pipes for now or something. Does this sound normal to you? I didn't think so. Alright, I don't know if you can see in there. This is the driver's side high flow cat. Look at that. Shit's all messed up. So that's what I've been dealing with. Apparently it's no good. No bueno. Yeah. Alright, well this is just an update. So for now, I'm not sure what I'm going to do as far as working on getting some replacement cats. Either test pipes probably. Hopefully my friend can come through with the arc pipes, straight pipes or whatever that have like the bung or whatever, so it's not so loud. I'm not a fan of huge just straight pipe where it's just ungodly too loud and annoying. Not a fan of that drone, but if I got test pipes temporarily or find this that works, it is what it is. But I'm stuck for now. Can't really do too much tuning until then. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and check out whatever video YouTube recommends to you. And if you want to follow my 370Z build, I have a separate playlist that's in the video description that you can follow. And thank you.